Hi, welcome to Star Collections. In today's episode, we are going to view variety of Georgette sarees. It's a pista green color tissue Georgette saree. It comes with the foil mirror borders all over the edges. It comes with the pre-worked blouse. The saree comes with the pre-worked blouse with foil mirrors, which could be used either on the front or back of the blouse. This saree is priced at 1685. It's a very pretty baby pink tissue Georgette saree. It comes with the foil mirror borders for all over the edges. The saree comes with the pre-worked tissue blouse. The saree is priced at 1685. It's a plain solid peach color Georgette saree. It comes with gota patti border for all over the edges and gota patti work on the bottom of the saree. The saree comes with the plain peach Bangalore silk blouse. The saree is priced at 1680 rupees. It's another plain solid pastel green Georgette saree. It comes with gota patti borders for all over the edges and gota work on the bottom of the saree. The saree comes with the solid plain pastel green Bangalore silk blouse. This saree is priced at rupees 1680 rupees. It's a plain grey Georgette saree with pine yellow border. The saree comes with the sequins butta all over the body. The saree comes with the pre-worked Bangalore silk yellow blouse with the pine yellow border for the sleeves. This saree is priced at rupees 945. It's a baby pink floral digital printed Georgette saree. The saree comes with the self color border with golden work for all over the edges. The saree comes with the plain Bangalore silk pink blouse. This saree is priced at rupees 1365. It's a multi-layered floral printed Georgette saree with border for all over the edges. The saree comes with the plain black Bangalore silk and a grey net for the sleeves with golden butta and borders. This saree is priced at rupees 1115. It's a mustard color shibori printed Georgette saree. It comes with border for all over the edges. The saree comes with the pre-worked navy blue Bangalore silk blouse and with pink net with border for the sleeves. This saree is priced at rupees 1675. It's a 50-50 Georgette saree. The saree comes with the bandhani prints over peacock blue for the pleats and rama green diagonal lines for the pallu. The saree is priced at rupees 1675. The saree comes with the rama green Bangalore silk pre-worked blouse for the back and green net with worked for the sleeves. It's a 50-50 Georgette saree with pink color bandhani prints for the pleats and black digital print over the pallu with honey yellow sequins border over the edges. The saree comes with the honey yellow pre-worked blouse with a pink net for the sleeves along the border. This saree is priced at rupees 1675. It's a 50-50 mix saree. The saree comes with the digital floral printed corn yellow color Georgette for the pleats and a multicolor net for the pallu. It has plain red border all over the edges. The saree comes with the bright red brocade blouse. This saree is priced at rupees 1115. It's a 50-50 Georgette saree. The saree comes with coffee brown digital prints for the pleats and red and golden checkered buttas for the pallu. The saree comes with a plain brown color Bangalore silk blouse with pre-work for the neck. This saree is priced at rupees 1675. It's a grey color Georgette saree with black color tiny dots all over the body and with black color diamond work border all over the edges. The saree comes with a plain black Bangalore silk blouse. This saree is priced at Rs 1600. It's a pink color Bandhani printed Georgette saree. The saree comes with diamond work border for all over the edges. The saree comes with the bright Rani pink color plain Bangalore silk blouse. It comes with the diamond work border for the sleeves. This saree is priced at Rs 1650. It's a blue based Bandhani printed Georgette saree. The saree comes with a plain blue border with diamond works all over the edges. The saree comes with a plain dynamic blue Bangalore silk blouse with diamond work border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at Rs 1650. It's a peach color Georgette saree. The saree comes with self color sequins all over the body. The saree comes with a plain peach satin blouse. This saree is priced at Rs 3085. It's a plain solid gold color Georgette saree. The saree comes with a floral border all over the edges. The saree comes with a beige color Bangalore silk blouse, pre-worked for front and back neck as well as sleeves. The saree is priced at Rs 1980. It's a plain solid bottle green color Georgette saree. The saree comes with a floral border all over the edges. In Star Collections unit, we have specially designed this front pallu of this saree with spreading work. This saree is priced at 3500 including this exclusive handwork. Thanks for watching our video all this while. Hope to see you soon with more collections.